Hello everyone, my name is Viveka. Welcome back to my channel YVS Crafty Art. If you're watching my video for the first time ever, please do subscribe and support me. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to crochet an easy and simple rose motif. It's a beginner friendly pattern. For better understanding, do watch the video till the end without skipping. Without getting delayed, let's get started. The materials required are 3 mm hook and the wool of yellow color. I bought it from the local market here. Use any brand of your type. Firstly, we have to make a knot in this process. Insert the hook into the loop that we had and make it tight. Now, make a chain of 51. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. We have to make 51 chain. Look, I had made 51 chain all through. Now, yarn over and skip 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. In the 4th stitch, we have to do 1 DC, that is of insert the hook into the 4th stitch, yarn over and pull through the 4th stitch. We'll get 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over again, pull through 2 loops, yarn over again and pull through the other 2 loops. So we had formed a double crochet stitch over here, as you can see. Now again yarn over and make a chain of 4. Yarn over, do a double crochet stitch in the same stitch in the 4th chain that we have done earlier. Yarn over, pull through and we'll get 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That makes a double crochet stitch. Again yarn over and skip 3 stitches, that is of 1, 2 and 3. And in the 4th stitch, insert the hook into the 4th stitch, yarn over, pull through and you'll get 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops, which forms a double crochet stitch. Now work on a 4th chain. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch that we have done a double crochet before. Yarn over, pull through, you'll get 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. That makes a double crochet stitch. And look at the pattern that we are getting here. We got 2 patterns. Repeat the process again. Yarn over and skip 3 stitches, that is of 1, 2 and 3. And in the 4th stitch, insert the hook into the 4th stitch, yarn over, pull through, we'll get 3 loops on the hook, 1, 2 and 3, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. That forms a double crochet stitch. Repeat the process till the down of the chain that we have done of 51 chain. Repeat the process till the last. So now we have completed the process. Totally we got 13 patterns, triangle patterns, as you can see here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. We have to work on 13 patterns and flip over the pattern to the back side. Now yarn over and make 10 double crochets in the first space. Yarn over, pull through the space, we will get 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the 2, yarn over and pull through the 2. That forms a double crochet stitch. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the space down below. Yarn over, pull through the space. Yarn over, pull through the first 2. Yarn over and pull through the last 2, which forms a double crochet stitch. We have to do 10 double crochet stitches in the same space that I am showing you. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through first 2, yarn over and pull through the second 2. Repeat the process till in the space that we get 10 double crochets. Look, we have completed 10 DCs. The pattern will come like that. Now make a single crochet in the next space. In the next space there we have to make a single crochet. Yarn over, pull through, we'll get 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Now coming to the next space, we have to do 10 double crochets. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next space. Yarn over, pull through, we'll get 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over and pull through the next 2. That forms a double crochet. Repeat the process in the same space till we get total of 10 DCs. We have to repeat the process. Now look, we have done 10 DCs in the second space. Totally we done 2 patterns into 2 patterns, that is 1 and 2. And at last in the next space we have to do a single crochet stitch. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the 2, which forms a single crochet. We have to repeat this pattern all through the 13 patterns. Look, we have done through all the 13 patterns. We have done total of 10 in every single space. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So now leave the tail at the end. We have to roll over this pattern, we have to roll over to make a rose motif. So make it so clear and slowly roll over to make a rose pattern. Cover the space. The space should not be seen out. So Roll it slowly. Look, I have done it. It will form in this way, and take a big eye needle to sew it. Do it very carefully. Sew it very carefully that it covers all the patterns. Cut it and you'll get 2 tails. Tie the 2 tails together. Look, at last we have formed a beautiful rose motif. If you have any doubts regarding to this tutorial, please feel free to comment me in the comment section below. If you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.